Good evening, junkies. Welcome to eminijunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Thursday, April 23rd, 2009. Today we had a total of 6 executable trade signals for a maximum potential of 44 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only and is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and free live chat room can be accessed via our website at www.eminijunkie.com. Okay, want to just talk a little bit this morning. We had a pre-market trade set up towards our half gap fill that actually did fire, and that produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 16 ticks. And that is included for the daily total because that trade is set up in our trading plan. But typically we only report from 9:30 on, but I did want to point out that that was a pre-market trade for targets 1 and targets 2. After the open, we basically opened at 842, and that trade continued to the downside, went down and got within a tick of our half gap there and took a bounce, bounced up through the open, pulled back and gave us an entry to go long that was right underneath the pivot for the day. That did get target 1, but it did not follow through to target 2. It actually hit target 2 to the tick, no fill on that, so we came down and got stopped out of our second contract for a 2-tick loss and traded on down and went ahead and filled our whole gap, got within a couple ticks of our overnight session lows down here, and as it took the bounce off those overnight session lows up through our close of yesterday, traded above our moving average, pulled back towards that moving average and that yesterday's close, got a signal to go long for targets 1 and targets 2, 11 ticks to the upside, and we traded up to about the 10:45 time frame, 10:30 time frame, broke back down through our moving average, again reacted off of that closing of yesterday, got a signal to go short. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 12 ticks. Again, moved down, broke new lows for the day underneath our overnight session lows, and we hit our lunchtime dead zone at 11:30 where we don't take any more trades until after 1:15. So through the dead zone we did get a reaction back to the upside, up towards our pivot again. Pivot provided some resistance as we came down through that moving average off the pivot beneath our open, got a pullback to that moving average open price, got a signal to go short, produced target 1, but did not have follow through to the downside, and actually got stopped out again. I believe it was to the tick on this particular trade after our adjustment, and lost 2 ticks, only to see this trade continue to the downside. There was a second chance entry, and some folks in the room did get that and trail this down after they got stopped out of that first one, but as far as the plan goes, the second contract did get stopped out for a 2-tick loss. Got a bounce at the 2:15 time frame up to the upside, had a quick run up, and then we traded back down through the moving average right before the 3 o'clock stopping time that we use. We got a signal to go short, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 9 additional ticks. So overall, great day, 6 trades for 44 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including chart setups, or to join our free daily chat room and video newsletter, please visit www.eminijunkie.com. Thanks, and make it a great day.